Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life. Today I have an Amazon Prime wardrobe box for you. Stay tuned. So a little about me. I am from Arkansas, or I live in Arkansas now. I am legally blind and I am unable to see a lot of things. But I invite you to come live my life with me, see what I do, how I do it, how I live, how I work, all of it. So if you haven't subscribed yet and that sounds good to you, please push that button and subscribe. So we are today going to be unboxing a Amazon Prime wardrobe. So there are two ways that you can do this. First, you need to be an Amazon Prime customer. You can do the personal shopper, which I guess you call that your stylist, will go and pick you 8 to 12 items. You go in, you click on the ones that you want sent to you. If there isn't 8 to 12 items that you pick, she'll pick a couple for you and send those also. So the personal shopper, I think, is $4.95 a month. And then you have the plain Prime wardrobe where you go in and pick the items you want sent to you by yourself. And that is free to do. So it does take a little bit of time. The search kind of, I think they're, just getting the gist of the styling service and the Prime wardrobe. I don't think it's been out but a year or so. When you go in, you can say you want to look at shoes. So you click on the shoes button. Underneath the shoes button will tell you, do you want sandals, athletic, boots, all those kinds of different kinds. So you click on the one that you want and then tons of stuff comes up. On the left-hand side though, there are buttons for the brand that you are looking for, the price point that you are looking for, but it still takes a pretty long time to go through all of those items. And then say you picked out a pair of sandals that you like. Well, it is available on Prime Wardrobe, but it might only be available for the size and the color that is picked. I have gone on before and I've picked, say, a pair of sandals that I really wanted to try on. And when I picked my size and the color I wanted, it went back to add to cart. So that went back to your regular cart, not to your Prime Wardrobe cart. So you need to look at that when you pick out the items you want. You need to make sure it says add to Prime Wardrobe. So this box, I picked out all shoes. So I have sandals and I have kind of slip-on casual loafer type shoes. I think there's 2 pair of those in there and the rest of them are sandals. So we're going towards spring and summer. We have some cruises planned. So I just kind of wanted to see what was out there and different. So today we're going to open 6 pairs of shoes. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the first pair. These are Dr. Scholl's, and let me show them to you. They're in a blush pink color. So it has the sole on the bottom. It reminds me a lot of Skechers, but it has the back, and then it's Velcro here, so you can tighten it or loosen it. It has the strip across the front with the band going upward, which I do like because it holds your feet in better. I'll go ahead and show you a picture. These are size 6.5. Let's see what we got here. They are called the Dr. Scholl's Shoes Women's Freeflow Sandal in Hydrangea Pink, 6.5 medium. Cost $28.72. I will do a try on at the end with all of the items so that you can see them. These are by Dr. Scholl's. They are a blush color. They are more like a athletic sandal also. It's not where it goes between your toes, so it's not a thong sandal. It has the straight across strap that goes across your toes, and then there is a strap that goes up into the ankle strap. There's also Velcro on the ankle strap so you can tighten it or loosen it whichever way you want. This is like a blush pink color. It is a beautiful neutral. Nothing that I own in this color. It does have the white athletic bottom to it, but I really do think these are cute. They're very, very comfortable. So I'll kind of show you the back and how it looks to stand on the shoe. And then kind of show you the front. Hopefully I'm close enough that y'all can see. Okay, the next pair are made by Skechers. They are Bobs. It's in a size 6.5. And it is this really pretty blue color. And it's kind of like a suede feel to it, but it also has that rugged bottom, lots of cushion. And it has the Velcro around the back. Let's see if we can show you that. Velcro around the back. And then this is kind of stretchy right here. Around the top of your foot is stretchy. And then this is just to hold your toes in. So these are cute. They are made by Bobs. Let you know what they're called. Okay, they are called the Skechers Women's Desert Kiss Flat Sandal. Size 6.5. Cost $47.95. So I do like those. I really like the sandals that have a lot of the cushion in them, and then they're kind of rugged on the bottom. More like an athletic sandal, because we do a lot of, like when we cruise and stuff, we do a lot of walking, and then when you're off the ship, you do a lot of walking and sightseeing and stuff, and I like to be comfy. Even at home, I can wear these. Sometimes I wear these type to work with a little pair of capri. Okay, so here is my next pair. These are called the Women's Desert Kiss Flat Sandal. They are Dr. Scholl, oh no, they're Skechers. And cost on these is $47.95. They kind of remind me like of a denim blue color. They got a lot of tags hanging off of them, so they're kind of a denim blue. It has the straight across toe strap, and then it has a strap going back. You can unvelcro these and tighten these up. They are cute, and I like the color. They're kind of a suede, like a denim, light denim blue, but I don't find them comfortable. I do like the back of the heel feels comfy, but I think my foot is too narrow, and like the strap going across the top of my foot is digging in on the sides, like there's too much room there. So these are really cute. So these are also Skechers. Do you see the theme? Love Skechers. They are just like my favorite shoes because they're comfortable. My feet hurt a lot. I have some chronic pain. So I like to be comfy, but also want to be cute. You know, want to have a cute style. So this right here is a loafer. It's also in a size 6.5. Go ahead and show this to you. This one's a lot heavier than I'm used to. So it is a leopard print, but it has a lot of like little glitters all the way around. You can feel them. It's a texture. So it is got the thicker bottom, and then it has the leopard print with the, I don't know, the little glitter beads type thing. So those look comfy. They do seem like they stretch around this area. There's a lot of stretch in this. So let me give you an idea of what this runs. Okay, so this is called, it's a Skechers Women Poppy-Lux Leopard Sneaker, and it is $42.48. And so we will try those on too. Okay, so these are the Skechers leopard print. They're called a Poppy Light Leopard Print Sneaker, and they're much more comfortable than I thought they were going to be. They were very heavy, but when you pulled the shoes out, there's like all kinds of cardboard in there and foam and plastic, and I took everything out, and they are much lighter than they were when I was pulling them out of the box earlier. Look at them. They do have like a texture on top of the leopard print. It's kind of like little little glitters all over the shoe. They are pretty comfortable though. They do have a high, let me see if I can show you. It does have a high bottom to it. But they are really cute. Do you like them? See the back of them? So cute. These are $42 and change. Okay, I am on number 4 out of 6 pairs of shoes from Amazon Prime Wardrobe. This is made by Madden. It is a leopard print tennis shoe or sneaker, but it has like laces through it, but it doesn't actually tie. So let me go ahead and show you this one. This one's really cute too. It's a lot lightweight compared to the Skechers one that I just showed you. It does have elastic in the back, and then you see that the ties they're kind of shortened and knotted at the end. Here's kind of so it's really cute. I like this one too. And no, it's not a Skechers shoe, right? So I will also just let you know, as I am editing this video, I will put pictures and names of each of the shoes on screen so that you can see different views besides just me holding it. I will go in there on Amazon, and then I will put the different views of the shoes so you can see them and see if you really like them. Because if you like them, I will link them below, and then you can go ahead and order a pair for yourself. So this one right here is made by Madden. And it says Madden Girl Women's Baailey sneaker. And the price on this one is $24.99. So that's a good price. $24.99. Okay, so here is the Madden Girl sneaker. It does have the ties in the front, and then like each of the ties is just kind of tied in a knot. You really can't tie these. It's not like it has regular laces to pull tight. So it has a leopard print design on it. They kind of like, to put it on, it's not like a regular tennis shoe. You kind of pull the back like it's cinched in the back. You pull it and it goes over your heel. Once they're on, they feel pretty comfortable. It does feel like they have some padding in the arch area, and I do like that. These shoes were $24.99. So I like those too. Those are really cute. Okay, the next 2 pair are also Skechers sandals. They are basically the same sandal, but they are different colors. So I will show you this first one. They call this the, let's see. It is called the Skechers Women's Reggae-Seize the Day Toe Thong, and $40.97. Let me kind of show you this one here. Okay, so it has that rugged bottom, and then it has where your toe goes here, and it has these straps over top that are really comfortable. They are totally comfortable. And then this part here can actually be tightened. They have the little, what do you call it on it? The little keychain thing. But right here, you can loosen it and tighten it. So I have had these shoes, not this particular one, but I have had this shoe in black, tan, navy, maybe olive. And the black ones I've had for years, and I still wear the black ones. They are totally broken. They did not hurt to break in. They're just comfortable. These are great, great, great shoes to take on a cruise with you because you can wear them with anything. I use these. I walk, we get on an excursion. I normally will wear these and walk around town or walk around shopping or just sightseeing, and I love them. They fit really good. I wear 6.5 in these. Let me show you the other pair. Okay, pink, hot pink. So yes, so the footbed on this one is gray and it's not white, and it has the same type of straps as the white one had. So basically they are the same shoe. This one's in a hot pink color. Like I said, wear them everywhere. Love, love, love them. Okay, so here is the pink reggae thong toe sandal from Skechers. Price is $38.98. Like I told you guys, I have these. I have them in every color. And I got white ones and pink ones in this box, and I wear them constantly. So the bottom of this pink one actually has gray footbed, and it does have that rugged sole that you would see more like an athletic sandal. And I'm gonna insert pictures throughout the video for every item so that you can see a view of the sides, the bottoms, the tops, and the tread on them. So this is the first pair, and this one was $38.98. That's a regular price for any Skechers sandal. I probably paid just as much as these for the ones I bought years ago in black. So I will try on the white ones, and we will let you see what those look like. Okay, here's the second pair of shoes. These are the same shoes as the pink. They are a little bit different price. They are $39.95. I'm gonna put these up real quick. It does have the little toe, a place where you put your toe through. It does not scratch. It's not too tight. It's just perfect. And then the band across the top, you can pull that Velcro and you can tighten up the shoe. So the white ones have the white footbed and then the white straps, whereas the pink ones had the pink straps and a gray footbed. But they all have that, like the tread on the bottom for like walking, hiking, that kind of type of thing. It's got really good tread, non-slip. So I really like these. These ones were $39.95 for these right here. Favorites. Okay, so I had 6 pair of shoes to try on from Amazon Prime Wardrobe, and I'm not sure exactly which ones I am going to keep yet. I think they were all really cute. I think I had a pair of Dr. Scholl's, which was 1. There was a Madden girl, which was 2, and I think the other 4 were Skechers. So the first 2 sandals, love, 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 because those are ones that I have lived in for years, and they're just new colors that have came out. So I'm really excited to see those. I had the 2 pair of like loafer tennis shoes, sneakers. Both of them were pull on, not tie. Both cute. One was 42, I think, and the other was 24. The Madden girl was 24. And then I also had 2 other pair of shoes. So we'll see. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. To those subscribers that come back and watch my videos, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you like this video and you are not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell so that you are notified once I put out new content. So again, thank you, subscribers and non-subscribers. Please like the video. It helps a lot on my end, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.